Yeah, I say. Me next.
Do that, but more you kind of scoff at it. Like you said. So,
okay.
Me next. Rolling. Action.
So what I say? Me next.
You would be, but Adrian been begging for
You
you.
would be, but Adrian been begging for you. Rolling. Action. You ever there? But you must know where it's on him. Come on, you double line on the line here. What's the line? What's it?
Adrian beg for everything.
Adrian beg for everything.
I look like him feet on breadfruit, the way you
Yeah, is that the bird that feet on breadfruit? Yeah. Agree. Pampas again. I'm not agree though.
It's what is you.
It's what is yours.
If
What
we
is due?
Continue to accept what we get. What we get, it's about to take us back to the days of
Master and the slave.
Yeah.
Rolling. Action.
It's not greed. It's what is due and what is right.
If we continue to
Is
accept.
a reason. It's not.
I'm not greedy, me greedy.
It's what is due.
It's what is due.
Listen, if we continue to accept what they might give it, we have to carry ourselves right back to master and slave. That makes sense. Rolling. Action.
It's not greed. It's what is due. If we continue to accept what them are give it, them are take it right back to slave. Oh.
I must get it.
Yeah, I must get it, bro.
A slavery, yeah, slavery.
Is it a slave or a master?
No matter what-
Master.
First,
Yeah. Rolling.
got it.
Action.
It's not greed.
One more
Not
time.
greedy
It's
is
okay.
what is due.
Oh no, with that.
You don't want to blow past, you don't want to win blow.
Hello, this is behind the scene. And bloopers.
Here we go. Rolling. Action.
It's not about greed. It's about what is right
What is due?
and what is
What is
due.
due?
Due.
What about greed? It's what is due.
Drink some water.
If we
I want you to drink some water. You get the line.
ready, I'm start with you.
Yes.
Rolling and action.
It's not about greed. It's what is due. If we continue to accept what them are give we, it will take we right back in the days of master and slave. And on my style that.
Wall them evilness. Yes.
Dangerous kind of arrogance you're exuding at Tony.
It's a dangerous kind of arrogance you're exuding at Tony.
Here we go. Rolling. Action.
You move for start?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're ready for the show. Kind of like the start. So
Action.
I'm waiting on the finger. You know.
Oh!
Alright.
Rolling. Action.
It's a dangerous kind of arrogance you're exuding at Tony.
Alright, cool. Turn around. It's a dangerous kind of arrogance.
Mosquito.
Rolling. Action.
Remington 700. Looks in the camera. Who does that? Who does that?
Come on, say
Actually, close. It's like really close.
Yeah, man. Stand so she can get
Yeah,
there.
no, I need to
Go back now, ready for
No, it's good.
No,
It's
man.
fine. No, do you think?
Want it close. Rolling. Action.
Remington 700. Bergera.
Bagara.
Bergera B40.
B40.
Alright.
Like a B14 car.
Yeah.
Nissan
Alright.
B14.
Ready. I got this.
Yeah.
No,
Ready? Action.
Remington 700. Bergara B14.
Right next to it.
Next line.
Oh shit.
I come there.
Okay.
Mossberg 88. Tika T 13X. And then Savage 110. Should I continue?
Let me saw one hour.
Ruger 10 by 22. Mossberg 88.
Right. And then we'll come back to you.
That's what she called? Okay. No, but as I say, if I saw Miranda talk, like, I get upset. This is the first time I've really seen her apart from
Right.
Savage.
Yeah.
Alright, ready.
Rolling. Yeah.
Tika T13X. Savage 110. Should I continue?
Good. Here we go. Rolling. Action.
Tika T13X. Smarter, yes, smile. Come see ya. Alright, I'm sorry. I'm done.
Ready?
Yes, I've got
Tika
this. Tika T13X. Savage 110. Should I continue?
Rolling. Action.
Really same located the container.
In gear date? Sorry. God, Pep.
No,
Yeah,
it could have still worked, though, no?
Yeah, but I'm sorry.
Okay.
Ready? Rolling. Action. Cut. Do it again for me. Moya, look on her first before you take off your eye and do this. Rolling.
The need for pressure.
Rolling. Hold on. You need for pressure. I've been doing that. Get serious about it. You invest a whole heap of money in him and you have not received anything substantial from him. So I'm going to talk after camera and you go straight in the line. You go do that? Get serious about it. You invest a whole heap of money in him.
I invest a lot of money in him and you don't receive anything substantial from him to date.
Ready. Here we go.
No, but if I say, been doing that.
Yeah. So that's not good enough. You need for pressure. I've been doing that. Get
Get
serious
serious about it.
Ready? Rolling.
Get serious about it.
You invest a whole
You
heap of
invest a whole
money.
heap of money. Alright, yeah.
Ready? Rolling. Action. Sorry, that's not good enough.
Rather than.
No worry. Get see. That's
not
that's
good
not
enough.
You need for pressure.
You need for pressure.
Get serious about it. So go from that's not good enough. Rolling. You've never been?
Never. Well, once. A couple
Never.
of times.
I've never.
Never?
On a school trip.
We're gonna take action.
Yeah.
Rolling. Action.
Well, him get the mahogany for build the coffin them from up a maroon town.
Something about
That-
the captain and me and try to keep him out of
Yeah. That's at the least.
that's how the
No, it's not this one.
your life.
That's the least. Life is in the balance with faith. You need to get the container so you can send it off.
Right.